I'm Jessica with the Pain-Free Athlete. This video is going to go over backwards band walking. I've got a light band above my knees. This is the easiest and beginning position. You can then move this down to your ankles and of course increase the resistance in the band itself. So for the backwards band walk, start with our feet hip width apart, pretty well balanced, slight bend in your knees. Then I want you to tuck your pelvis under just a little bit to lengthen your back. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a step back. I'm going to start with my left leg. I'm going to take a step back. And then when I get back here, I'm going to set my hip. So this is just like the side band walking where I rotate back and into my hip, back and into my hip, pushing into the heel, feeling the hamstring, feeling the abs, feeling the glute, feeling the adductor so that I don't roll out. So I've got that foot behind. I get stable and centered over this leg. Everything's rotated towards this leg. And then I pull this leg out, kind of a half circle and back. And then I shift my weight back. And I do the same thing on this side. Rotate back into that hip, pull into the hamstring, glute is on, adductor's working. So most all of my weight is here now. And then I bring this leg back and around. And then I shift back into this hip. And you keep going as long as you want. That's backwards band walking.